We've got 4 Prismatique. I don't know, I totally butchered that probably. Lucite or acrylic, however you want to call it. Clear, obviously, table legs for like a coffee table, and we're gonna have that in our listing. It's really hard to photograph these because they are clear, as you can see. So trying our best here to kind of create what they look like. They're kind of, here's the top of them. So it's, you know, this is the shape. It comes to a point here, it comes down, and then it's kind of beveled here on this side here. So you could like put like a table or something here. We had it, it was formerly, it had slab granite on it. So that was its former use. So they're probably about 2 feet tall. We'll get measurements in the listing as well. This is just the face. So it kind of comes to a point here and it's like kind of grooved there, as you can see. It's very hard to tell though. And they look really, really good. One of them has some scratching here. Where is that one? I just had it. This one right here has some scratching here. You can kind of see it right there, right along that edge. But again, if you're standing back, you're not going to see it at all. So these look really, really well. No chips or anything on the main parts. No chips, no cracks in the plastic. It's 4 legs total. Here's the back. Has like this wing that comes out here to support whatever it's holding. And yoga mat on the ground. And yeah, they're really, really cool looking legs, as you can see. Very prismatic, I should say.